Okay, so today we got this little Triller that is not working. The client says that's been in storage for a very long time. It's got this little funny air filter. And I have no idea because I never done any one of these. So I'm just gonna give a like a general maintenance. See, it has a little cable right here. Jesus Christ. That I can only assume is what? Oh, it's a accelerator cable. I don't know how it comes off. I don't know anything about this machine. So I'm gonna start by removing stuff. And I'm gonna keep this front here. I need, because I try to start it with starting fluid. It did start. I don't know for how long it's been stored. They say that it's been a very long time, so I'm just gonna assume it's forever. Can't see what kind of bolt that is. Oh, regular. Anyways, still feels like it has another bolt right here. Now I think this one's gonna come off with it. No, so we're gonna do this one. So yeah, let's see. Doesn't even look like an 8. Here it is. Yeah, all these machines, they work the same. It's just that in this case, this is a 2-stroke engine. It doesn't use regular gas. It uses a mix that I already went ahead and bought, that I'm gonna be using to do whatever I need to do. I don't usually work on 2-stroke engines just because they are really pain in the ass. And surprisingly, it looks pretty new. Yeah. I know it has spark. It looks pretty neat actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove these lines. Oh, this is going nowhere actually. I have no idea what this is for. Because I'm gonna wash this fuel tank. The fuel tank is really disgusting. So I'm gonna be removing the fuel lines that they feel a little toasted, which is my only concern. Now we can remove the fuel tank, and we're gonna start by doing that. Maybe we don't need to wash the carb. We'll try that and we'll come back. So I went ahead and disassembled this small carb. This carb is brand new. Now all I gotta do is, can't remember where everything goes. I assume this one's gonna go right here. Gonna come back to those screws with a screwdriver because I don't want to damage this. Now, yeah, I can't go that way because of where the hoses are coming from, and it kind of feels like it goes right here. It's pretty simple carb. Hopefully this is good. Oops. I mean, it feels good. I don't know if it's creates vacuum or not. I think I'll know in a minute though. So as you can see right here, I already washed this tank. The machine is really new. Very nice. Very nice machine. Well kept. Very well kept. So as I said, I was gonna come back with a screwdriver because I don't want to damage this. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I remove this cylinder. It goes right here. Okay, now it's gonna go to this side, just like that. So I think it's time to start assembling all this stuff. And I'm gonna start with the gas tank. That's 3 small bolts. Alright. And I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to start it, okay? Here's a little update on working on this Triller. So no start. Try to clean the carb. Try to do it with an ultrasonic cleaner. So it has 2 different issues. So for once, all this right here is completely clogged. Try to unclog it. Came to a point where it worked, but then after checking this fuel pump right here, from my point of view, it's completely stiffed. You see that? I don't know if you can. Yeah, I don't like it. So what I decided to do, like everybody nowadays, is get a little Chinese carb. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to set this up. I'm not even gonna disassemble it. Just gonna come straight out of the box. Into it. Yep. So I'm thinking it will start right away. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, this one also has some really bad lines. The filter was, ew. Who knows in what ship this filter came. Anyways, we should have a gasket for here. And I'm assuming it's gonna be this little guy right here. And that goes like that. It doesn't look like it matters where it goes. At least not with this card. Let me see the other one. Huh, it looks like it has something here. What? Unless, no, it's good. Anyways, so I said it's gonna go back in. We're gonna try to start it. If I can only find the tools when I need it. Yeah, these two-stroke engines, they're good. It's just that you gotta be careful with the oil that you use. Basically the mix. It's better to have a premium quality mix if you're gonna make your own. Make sure you follow any tutorial that you can find suitable for, and get the tools to do that measuring stuff so you can mix it the right way. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to do to it but to prime it. Yeah, so I think you should start right away. Let me move my coffee out of the way. Choke. Perfect.